Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. We're gonna have so much fun.
Would you shut up? Nobody cares. And nobody wants to be here.
Yeah, coach says I need the credit or I'm off the team.
Sucks to be you.
Whatever. You're stuck here too.
Come on, you guys. We can make this the best night ever.
You are such a loser.
Would you get over yourself? I brought all types of stuff for us.
Which one's this one?
Oh no, not this. It's too scary.
Who cares? Just pop it in.
Oh, okay.
This sucks. I'm going to the bathroom.
Fine, we're not pausing it.
Whatever. Oh, what the? Oh, dude, lay off the body spray!
Does anybody want some popcorn?
Me?
Alright, I'll be right back.
Okay, see you later.
Where is everyone?
Who?
The nerd and the jock, where are they?
Who cares? Let's keep watching.
Okay. Well, if I have to watch this stupid crap, so do they.
Wait, did you see that?
See what?
That. They look just like Casey.
What?
And just a moment ago, I swear I saw Ash.
Again, weirdo. What?
It's like they're in the movie or something. I don't know.
You mean to tell me that that jock and that nerd are in that movie?
Yeah?
What the? Oh, I get it. Those two are trying to prank us. I am going to kill those two.
Well, you can't just leave me here.
Then come with me.
What if that stuff is out there waiting for us?
Then stay here, you wuss.
Well, wait.
All right, losers. This isn't funny anymore. Come out now. Who said that?
Finish it.
Haha, very funny.
He has to finish it.
Finish what?
The movie. Alex has to finish it. We took their place. It has to be passed on. Oh God.
Well, I hope you guys had fun. It's time for you to go home.